Father God, all the water drum my man give woman him a take back to pandemic. In a big Wednesday, and them drama you going to somewhere in the Father. No man. This bad. Eh? One bumper company man here in the car and take it back.
Daniel, one big cocoa come here, you can't take it back. You can't take the water jump and oh God.
Rabble Rabble show, I got chat to them and make them chat for it. Rabble Rabble, you don't know say the one and only National Rabble Danger, and on this platform we do things different. Rabblings, right now me I talk to all Jamaicans. We know say things rough and time hard. And because of a thing called money, we think we can barely survive. Agree or disagree, let me know. Pre this, we are Jamaican and we can endure anything we want because we're born for this, don't it? And we are a smart nation, can overcome anything that put before us, don't it? Let me know because I want to know. Rabblings, I have a question I want to ask. How serious you take this COVID-19 virus? Tell me, because at the end of the day, when the smoke clear, I open all breathing. I'ma say that for say this, as a Jamaican we love excitement, don't it? But right now I want to know if you love the hype more than your life. Tell me because I want to know. Rabblings, right now is the time people should be doing some soul searching. After this pandemic, everybody know them true potential. Agree or disagree, let me know. Rabblings, spread this. Over 10 million people have this virus and counting. People dying daily by the thousand. You know what go on? People fail to believe what they cannot see. But at the end of the day, you have to know that mankind is dangerous. Some they here for build and some they here for destroy. Better know that. Agree or disagree, let me know. Rabblings, spread this. First world countries baffling for cope with what go on right now. So pretty little Jamaica, it's a little third world country. We barely have beds in our hospitals. Much less ventilators to accommodate a mass. John know it now look good. People wanna keep safe, me I tell you no. Rabblings, I have a question I want to ask. If you feel this COVID virus is not real, would you shake a person on your ear of it right now? Tell me because I want to know. So right now is the time for us to educate ourselves so we can help each other. Agree or disagree, let me know. Rabblings, right now as Jamaicans we don't want to force anything upon ourselves. That may I tell you now. Agree or disagree, let me know. Right now summer cancel in Jamaica officially. Partying can stay, me could get the youth them up to par. Yeah, Rabblings, me know we are human and we love to have fun. Pre this, there's a saying, time to have fun and time to get serious. Right now we not the serious time. Agree or disagree, let me know. Rabblings, tell me what kind of preparation you put in place for after the pandemic. Tell me because I want to know. Rabblings, right now everybody fair see them life from a different angle. As me say, right now we fair do some soul searching. After this pandemic, we should know our true potential. God know. Agree or disagree, let me know. Rabblings, them normally say people don't know what them want. But I can tell you, everybody know what them want right now. Agree or disagree, let me know. And me I gonna say this again. After this whole pandemic, I hope you're still breathing. Rabble Rabble, straight rabbling, spread this.
Father God, all the water drum my man give woman him a take back to pandemic. In a big Wednesday, and them drama you going to somewhere in the Father. No man. This bad. Eh? One bumper company man here in the car and take it back.
Daniel, one big cocoa come here, you can't take it back. You can't take the water jump and oh God, man, what are we have, man?
Oh man, to wash the baby clothes them.
And that me I say, nobody never love you, man. No, you never love that woman, Daniel. You are wicked. Me not tell no lie. Are you water drum?
Oh God. Cause you...
That not have nothing to do with it. Whether you ban January, February, March, April, May, June, and that not have nothing to do with it. That not have nothing to do with it. The month you ban not have nothing to do with it, Daniel.
Yeah, and you come here fighting man for you, man.
A friend, me nice clean friend right there, so for woman. Where my woman the long before you? But you don't feel an argument to nobody because a woman carry you come here, you go there with woman. And left the woman. Me not cook. No, but you have one woman, 15 man, I know you out about you never want woman. You can't say that.
I don't know you better. My dear, I live in my own house. Nobody can put me out one day function and one day sober. I live in my own house. My father makes sure provide for me. No, but you're coming to be moving truck, you should be moving furniture.
Rabble Rabble, no fear for tell them say you hear it, yeah, so remember to like, share and subscribe. Straight Rabblings.